Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do polynomial exercise 2.1. So let's get started. So first question, which of the following expressions are polynomial in a one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So let's get started here. First of all, for this polynomial, expression of the polynomial, one variable or not? Yes, it has only x variable here, so yes, it is only one variable because only x here, though it is used in a two different terms, but still in a both terms x only, not any other variable. So yes, it is a one variable. Okay, here x square plus root 2. Yes, this is also one variable because in this polynomial we have only y variable. Look over here. In this polynomial we use only t, but here look at this. What does mean the root t? Root t means if we change into the power form, means we write the t to the power of half, and half is not a whole number. When we was doing the introduction, I told you if power is not a whole number means it is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial, then it doesn't matter it is a one variable or not. So for the polynomial condition it is not. So this is the no, because it is not a polynomial because t has a power half and it is not a whole number. Okay, let's move for the next question. Okay, here question 4. Y plus 2 over y. Okay, this 2 over y means what? If I change to the power form, then y is a denominator. So if we want to write in a power form, then 2y to the power of -1, and -1 also not a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. So if it is not a polynomial, then it doesn't matter it has a two variable or one. So first condition is not fulfilled, so not a polynomial. You could say it's not a polynomial. Sorry, polynomial. Okay, here also not polynomials. Okay, let's see the fifth one. Okay, here in this polynomial, in this expression of the polynomial, we use the x, y and t. So three different polynomial we use. So this is also not a one variable polynomial. Okay, it will use the three different variable. So yeah, it is a polynomial because all power is a whole number, but not a one variable polynomial. Let's move for the next question. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So we have to tell the coefficients of only x square's term. So first of all, coefficient means what? We learn in the introduction, right? The number which is front of the variable. So first in this polynomial, this is the x square term, and front of no number means we can say the 1. If it is a no number with the variable, then it is an invisible number, and that is always 1. So positive 1. It has a, so positive 1, no need to write the plus sign, we just write the plus, right? So coefficient of the first expression is a 1. Okay, so 1. Here for the second one, this is the x square term, and x square has a no number front of it, it means we consider as a 1, and because it has a front of minus sign, that's why the coefficient of x square is a -1. Okay, here the first term is a x square term. Okay, and the coefficient of x square is a pi over 2. Okay, so we consider pi as well. Okay, not only numbers. Okay, for here we don't have any term which has a x square, so if we want to write, we can write here x square with the 0 coefficient. Okay, if it is not, then you can write with the 0 coefficient. So answer is a 0. Okay, so x has a 0 coefficient, and if it is 0 coefficient, this one at the end it makes the 0, so it won't change the value of this polynomial. So don't scare to put it this extra term, because 0 x square at the end. If you multiply any number with the 0, that gives us 0, right? So that doesn't matter. Let's move for the question number 3. Give one example each of the binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So first of all, binomials means what? Binomials means two terms, right? And degree, as we know, degree we learn in introduction, power. So I could write the x to the power of 35, and second term I can write anything, any number or letter, whatever we wish. This is the example. Even you can use any other letter as well. They ask only one example, but if we write 2, let's we write 2, write 5 or any number or any letter. Okay, here this is the binomial of degree 100. Binomial means only one term we can write. So let's say n to the power of 100. Okay, so the one term only and power is 100. So this is the correct example. Let's move for the question 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So degree we have to write. Degree means what? It means power, and here no power last term means it has a 1. But when we write the degree of the polynomial means highest power. So here highest power is a 3. So degree of this polynomial is a 3. For this polynomial, degree is a 2. Highest degree is a 2. Here for this polynomial, t has a no power, so we consider as a 1. So degree 1 for the third polynomial. And here no variable, so I can use the variable with the 0, and that we call the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Okay, so when the number only, if we wish, we can add the any variable with the 0 power, and that called the constant polynomial. Let's move for the question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So linear means what? Let's we see first. Linear means a degree 1. Degree 1. If polynomial has a degree 1, we call the linear. This is we call the linear. Quadratic means degree 2. If highest degree is a 2, then we call the quadratic polynomial. And cubic means a highest degree 3. This is the cubic. This one we call the cubic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial, and this is the linear polynomial. Okay, and this is the constant polynomial. So let's see here. What is the highest degree for this polynomial? Highest degree is a 2, and if degree is a 2, then we call it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, bus I write in a short form. Okay, in this polynomial highest degree is a 3, so we call the cubic polynomial. Okay, here what is the highest degree? Highest degree is a 2. So again quadratic polynomial. Okay, here no power, excess means it has a 1 power, and if it is only 1 highest power means we call the linear linear polynomial. Polynomials. Okay, here again only one term, but t has a no power, so we call the 1 power t has. So again it is a linear polynomial. R has a, what is the highest power? 2. So quadratic polynomial. So when we divide things according to the degree, doesn't matter how many terms it has, just we have to check the what is the highest power. Here highest power is a 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, please comment me below. I will surely clear your doubts.